Hey guys! It's been a while since my last upload, but I am back with this amazing video for Realme UI 6.0 features and updates. First off, we are going to check out the lock screen customization, where you can say theming section, where you can do so much more now. And it really feels more like iOS on this part, but it still has the Android-ish vibe to it. Depth detection on lock screen wallpaper is spot on for system wallpapers. However, if you try similar downloaded wallpapers, it will work fine, but don't expect all downloaded pictures to work. It works well only when an object or a person is well distinguished from the background. Similar wallpaper is automatically chosen for home screen, with an option to change to a gradient background of colors selected from lock screen wallpaper, or choose a new background. There are some glass effect filters and blur options as well. Gotta give it to Realme, they nailed this part. You can also choose between the AOD options as seen here. There's some issues with seamless option as of now, which might get fixed in stable update. As soon as you apply a theme, it gets saved as a preset, which can later be accessed in my themes section. Let's keep a like target of 10 likes so that I can bring the next video on the Poco X6 HyperOS 2.0 update. Also, there is this small issue with wallpaper overlapping, where the newly applied wallpaper overlaps existing one without replacing it. I noticed it happening only for themes which have AOD and lock screen signature transition effect. As you can see, I have fixed the issue here with a simple trick. Just crop, resize or apply effect to the wallpaper and revert it back. This simply fixed the overlap issue for me. Let me know in comments if you are facing such issue. Let's quickly go through other themes as well. Alright. Next up, we have a huge feature update here, which again might look similar to iOS Control Center. The toggles and sliders from Realme UI 5.0 are still in place, but they have been separated between two pages, one for notifications and one for Control Center or quick setting toggles. You can now disable tile labels as well. Moving on to the home screen settings. Now you get two animation speed options, standard and enhanced. Standard being the regular, and enhanced meaning slightly faster opening and closing animation. In drawer layout, now you can choose to have 5 columns as well, which is helpful if you set your home screen layout to 4 columns, but still need 5 columns in app drawer. Other general options such as shelf and open search after opening app drawer is still present. One small detail that I noticed in status bar. The horizontal layout option for battery now has a new look. It looks more refined now, where the percentage is visible more clearly. Quick setting tiles such as Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth now show a quick information window on tapping the label, while the toggle works if you press the icon itself. You have your active apps pop up as well. There are a couple of new app icon options as well. Radiant and Shadow. And old ones are still present. As the name suggests, Shadow is a dark-themed icon pack. Radiant, however, is a vibrant mix of colors. Let's check out my personal favorite feature, the live alerts. So basically, it's nothing but the dynamic island feature from iOS. However, the implementation here on Realme UI is absolutely smooth. And I haven't had a single issue using this feature, it works seamlessly every time. Single tap opens the alert window, and long pressing on the alert opens the app showing the alert. You can switch between multiple alerts by swiping left or right. Finally, there is a new charging animation, and 2 new fingerprint animations. This is the normal charging animation. And this is the 67 wattage Super VOOC charging animation. Two new fingerprint animations, named Halo and Ethereal, are kind of similar to each other, but the fingerprint icon varies a bit. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or suggestions, then let me know in the comments. Please do leave a like and subscribe so I can continue to upload more content. And I'll see you in the next one.